really nice. There's toilets and showers. I think I just saw that the diesel is a lot cheaper than in Italy. Look who's there, Coen. He's making the sign. And if it's 165, I'm gonna jump in the water. No. Like you saw, we just docked, and this is the place we are. Look, Bora Bora. We don't have to sail that far to go to Bora Bora. Can I show you the other side? Look at that. Ah. Pretty neat place, right, Koen? What do you think?
It's awesome. Very nice.
So tonight we're gonna meet his uncle, and we're gonna go eat somewhere. Keep you updated. Walking towards the harbor office and checking all the things. It looks really nice. There's toilets and showers. You need to put a deposit in, so probably you get a badge to enter it. So we're gonna go to the office over there. Look at these small boats, sailing boats. This is a sailing boat, but they all use it to fish. Nice. Okay, see you guys later. Such nice people. And they even gave us a restaurant for tomorrow, or for tonight. And really nice, really nice. It's an awesome place. Friendly people. Now I'm gonna check what time we can get fuel. That's our neighbors. Hello, hello. And let's see what time they're open. But I think we're gonna be leaving tomorrow at 12 or something. So time enough. Fishing boat is unloading. Let's check it out. Let's check what we have here. Oh, nobody there? Okay. I think I just saw that the diesel is a lot cheaper than in Italy. You see that smile? That's when you have to put like probably 150 liters or more into the tank again. That's when you get the smile if it's cheaper. So, okay. Getting back to the boat. It's not that busy, you see here. There's like a motorboat, a German one. Then there's another boat, a Dufour 512, pretty big. And then we have, oh, look who's there. Look who's there, Coen. He's making the sign. The only sign. Perfect. Coen, you know what we pay here? No. 27 euros.
Really?
Yes.
I'm staying here for the rest of my life.
It's so cheap, right? Oh, did you put it up or? No. Okay. Going down this bit is easier. Going down. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna say it.
This is the she said moment, right? I'm learning.
Shower. So, and the diesel is, I saw something like 165 and I saw 181. So I hope the diesel is the 165, but who knows? I'll check the prices online in Spain, and if it's 165, I'm gonna jump into the water. No,
yes.
I'm not. No.
Yeah,
okay,
yes.
Okay, tomorrow. Al good.
Ik ben naar de kapper geweest ben.
Oh, ja.
Kan er van mee en meehouden.
Deze twee, hè? Ja, het komt laat hij mee, dus.
En je kan ook... jij loopt zeker dat je...
Ja, we zijn er.
Dat is aan de linkerkant.
This is at night in the marina. And these are the boats that bring you to other places. There's like taxi boats, and this is a boat that's going going around, I think. Buy your tickets. Buy your tickets on Mallorca. Oh, that's the one that I saw over there. There was the name. Oh, look at those ladies. By the way, we're gonna go to the boat. Okay, guys. See you guys later. Bye.
Kijk, zo mooi.
Going for some groceries. What do you like? The boat?
De cockpit,
There?
ja.
Spock, you mean? Yeah, it's such a nice boat. It's really one of the best. No, he means the one next to it.
It's a bit small
Sadly, sadly. Okay, I'm gonna stop this now and I'm gonna throw him in the water. We just left Cala. Leave it behind us and leave this rock and everything behind us. And there's a person there. Oh, that was climbing. Oh, there he is in the red. The lighthouse of Cala. And really nice. Because a friend of mine, Stephanie, was here 2 weeks ago. Why were you here 2 weeks ago and not now? It would have been much, much nicer, but okay. So yeah, we're gonna go around the corner now, over here. And then we're gonna cross two or like a couple of bays from the Mallorca. And then cross to Segur de Calafell. And Windy is saying we will have pretty good wind. So fingers crossed, maybe we can sail all the way. Woo! Sailing. Dankjewel. And we should be sailing till Segur de Calafell. Yes, indeed. welcome to a new episode of Cooking with Waves. So we are docked. It's kind of a sad day today.
Live long and prosper.